Mechanical keyboards have seen a surge in popularity among typists and gamers who crave precision, responsiveness, and long-term durability. Similarly, musicians and producers are increasingly seeking studio monitors that deliver accurate sound reproduction, solid build quality.
List number 1. PreSonus Iris 3.5 Studio Monitors. Compact precision for every creator. The PreSonus Iris 3.5 studio monitors have become a benchmark in affordable yet professional-grade sound monitoring. Designed with content creators, musicians, and home producers in mind, these monitors deliver surprisingly accurate audio reproduction for their size. Featuring 3.5-inch woven composite drivers paired with 1-inch silk dome tweeters, the Iris 3.5 produces a clean, balanced sound across the frequency range, tight lows, detailed mids, and smooth highs. The rear panel acoustic tuning controls for high and low frequency adjustment allow users to fine-tune the sound to match room acoustics, which is rare at this price point. Connectivity is generous. You get balanced TRS inputs, unbalanced RCA, and an 1/8-inch front auxiliary input, ideal for laptops, phones, or audio interfaces. The front-mounted headphone jack mutes the speakers automatically when in use, a thoughtful feature for night sessions.
List number 2. PreSonus Iris 3.5 Studio Monitors. White. Sleek design with the same professional sound. The PreSonus Iris 3.5 White Edition offers the same reliable performance as the standard model, but brings a fresh, modern look to your studio setup. Perfect for minimalist or bright workspaces, the white finish enhances visual appeal without compromising sound accuracy. Under the hood, you still get the 3.5-inch composite woofers and 1-inch silk dome tweeters that deliver the same flat frequency response trusted by professionals. The sound remains balanced and clear, making it a strong choice for mixing, podcasting, and general audio work. One of its standout features remains the acoustic tuning controls on the back panel, allowing users to adjust bass and treble for their room environment. It's a powerful option if your studio setup sits close to walls or corners, which can otherwise color your mix. Connection flexibility includes TRS, RCA, and 1/8-inch inputs, and the front headphone port is great for private sessions. Despite their small size, the Iris 3.5s can fill small to medium rooms with accurate, distortion-free sound.
List number 3. KRK K5L Create 5 Latte Studio Monitor. Warm tone with signature KRK character. The KRK K5L Create 5 Latte Studio Monitor blends the brand's renowned audio clarity with an updated modern aesthetic. Designed for music producers, DJs, and sound engineers, these monitors maintain KRK's trademark punchy low end while improving mid-range accuracy and treble detail. The 5-inch glass aramid woofer offers deep and controlled bass, while the 1-inch soft dome tweeter ensures crisp highs without harshness. Together, they produce a full-bodied sound that's ideal for electronic, hip-hop, and pop genres. The custom Class D amplifier improves efficiency and reduces heat, allowing for longer, distortion-free listening sessions. A key feature of the K5L is its front-firing bass port, which minimizes boundary interference when placed near walls, perfect for smaller studios. The wide sweet spot makes it easier to mix accurately, even in imperfect acoustic spaces.
List number 4. Yamaha HS3 Powered Studio Monitor Black. Legendary accuracy in a compact frame. Yamaha's HS series has long been synonymous with professional mixing accuracy, and the HS3 continues that tradition in a smaller, more affordable form factor. Designed for producers and audio engineers who demand truth in sound, these monitors prioritize flat, uncolored audio reproduction. The HS3 features a 3.5-inch woofer and 0.75-inch dome tweeter, powered by a bi-amplified design for precision across frequencies. The resulting sound is incredibly detailed, making it easy to spot mix imperfections, balance vocals, and fine-tune low-end elements. Connectivity options include XLR/TRS inputs and RCA jacks, allowing compatibility with audio interfaces, mixers, and consumer devices. The rear panel also includes room control and high trim switches, helping tailor the sound to various acoustic environments. Build quality is exceptional. Dense MDF cabinets minimize vibration and resonance, while the understated black matte finish with the iconic white woofer cone gives it that classic Yamaha aesthetic.
List number 5. Mackie CR 3.5. 3.5-inch creative reference powered studio monitors. Versatile and budget-friendly performance. The Mackie CR 3.5 creative reference monitors are a top choice for budget-conscious creators who need reliable, clear sound for mixing, gaming, or multimedia production. Despite their low price, Mackie manages to deliver quality performance that rivals higher-end competitors. Each monitor features a 3.5-inch polypropylene-coated woofer and 0.75-inch ferrofluid-cooled silk dome tweeter, producing a balanced sound with solid low-end presence and crisp highs. The result is smooth, natural playback across a wide frequency range, ideal for editing, streaming, or content creation. A major advantage of the CR 3.5 is its front panel volume knob with built-in power switch and AUX input, making it easy to connect phones or laptops. The front headphone jack automatically mutes the speakers, and the included acoustic isolation pads help reduce desktop vibrations and resonance.